Ever pondered how to professionally display your open source contributions? Well, today is your lucky day. Open source contributions are an incredibly valuable asset, serving as a testament to your coding skills, your ability to collaborate with others, and your passion for contributing to the community. More than that, it's a fantastic way to learn from others while showcasing your own expertise. In this video, we will delve into the world of open source contributions and how you can effectively highlight them in a professional portfolio. We'll cover the importance of understanding open source contributions, best practices for showcasing your work, tips for highlighting your contributions, and even some common mistakes to avoid. This is not just about creating an impressive portfolio, but about demonstrating your commitment to continuous learning and improvement. If you're ready to elevate your open source game, stick around for some valuable tips. First, let's grasp what open source contributions are and why they matter. Imagine a bustling market where everyone is free to use, modify, and distribute goods. That's the essence of open source contributions. They are contributions made to open source projects, which are projects where the source code is available to the public. Think of it as a collaborative effort where anyone can contribute their expertise, be it coding, documentation, design, or even bug reporting. Open source contributions hold a special place in the tech industry. They act as a playground where budding programmers can hone their skills and seasoned professionals can experiment with new ideas. It's a space where the collective wisdom of the community propels innovation and advancement. But why should you care about open source contributions? Well, they offer a multitude of benefits. Firstly, they help you sharpen your skills. By contributing to open source projects, you're not just working on hypothetical problems, but real-world issues. This gives you invaluable experience and a chance to apply and test your knowledge. Secondly, they offer a chance to network. The open source community is vast and diverse, filled with experts from various fields. By contributing, you get to interact with these individuals, learn from them, and even build lasting relationships. Lastly, open source contributions can significantly enhance your portfolio. They serve as tangible proof of your skills and commitment. Potential employers or clients can see the work you've done, the problems you've solved, and the impact you've made. This can set you apart from others and increase your chances of landing that dream job or project. So, open source contributions are a win-win for everyone. They improve your skills, expand your network, and beef up your portfolio, all while you contribute to the advancement of technology and innovation. But the question remains, how do you showcase them effectively? Well, that's what we'll delve into next, so stay tuned as we unravel the best practices for showcasing your open source contributions. There's an art to showcasing your open source contributions effectively. In the world of open source, your work speaks for itself. It's a testament to your technical prowess, your collaborative spirit, and your passion for innovation. But how do you make sure this work gets the recognition it deserves? Start by creating a dedicated section in your portfolio for your open source contributions. This dedicated space allows potential employers or clients to see the breadth and depth of your involvement in open source projects at a glance. It's like your own personal open source gallery. Next, highlight key projects. Not all contributions are created equal, and it's important to draw attention to those that best represent your skills and interests. Perhaps you've helped to significantly improve the performance of a widely used library, or maybe you've led a team to develop a new feature in a popular framework. Whatever your key contributions are, make sure they take center stage in your portfolio. But it's not just about what you did, it's also about how you did it. Showcase your problem-solving process, the challenges you faced, the solutions you devised, and the impact of your contributions. This narrative approach not only provides context to your contributions, but also gives insight into your thought process and problem-solving skills. Now, let's get visual. While the code is the heart of any open source project, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Use images, graphs, and charts to represent your contributions. Did your code improve performance? Show that with a graph. Did your design make the interface more user-friendly? Share before and after screenshots. Visuals can make your contributions more tangible and easier to grasp for those who may not be as tech-savvy. Finally, don't forget to link to your contributions. This gives interested parties a direct pathway to see your work in action, delve deeper into the projects you've contributed to, and even see how you interact with other contributors. Remember, the goal is to make your contributions easy to understand and appreciate. So, make your open source portfolio a showcase of your best work, your process, and your passion for open source. Highlighting your contributions is crucial to making an impact. As we dive into the fourth scene of our video, let's focus on how you can effectively showcase your work in open source projects. First things first, focus on the impact. While it's great to list all the projects you've contributed to, what truly stands out is the impact of your work. Did your contribution result in a significant performance improvement, or perhaps it resolved an ongoing issue that was hampering user experience? Make sure to highlight these achievements. Remember, it's not about the quantity of your contributions, but the quality and the impact they've made. Next, demonstrate the process. The journey is just as important as the destination. Show potential employers how you tackled the project. Did you work in a team? How did you handle disagreements or roadblocks? What was your thought process? This not only showcases your technical skills, but also your problem-solving abilities and how you function in a team setting. Now, let's talk about sharing the stories behind your contributions. Stories are powerful. They make your contributions come alive. Instead of simply stating that you contributed to a project, share the story behind it. What inspired you to contribute? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them? These stories not only make your contributions more memorable, but they also give potential employers a glimpse into your passion and dedication. In addition, when you're highlighting your contributions, make sure to keep them relevant. If you're applying for a job in data science, for example, prioritize showcasing your contributions to data-related projects. This shows potential employers that you not only have the skills they're looking for, but you've also applied these skills in real-world situations. Lastly, don't forget to provide proof of your contributions. This could be in the form of project links, code snippets, or even testimonials from project leads. This tangible evidence lends credibility to your claims and makes it easier for potential employers to verify your contributions. When you highlight your contributions effectively, you make it easier for potential employers to see your value. With these tips, you can confidently showcase your open source contributions and stand out in the competitive job market. Even the best of us can make mistakes when showcasing our open source contributions. Let's dive into some common pitfalls you'll want to sidestep. The first one is including too many projects in your portfolio. While it's great to be involved in many things, a portfolio cluttered with too many projects can be overwhelming. It's like a buffet with too many dishes. Where do you even start? So focus on quality over quantity. Highlight a few projects that demonstrate your skills and experience best. Next up, not providing enough context for each project. Just like a detective needs clues to solve a mystery, potential employers or clients need context to understand your work. What was the purpose of the project? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them? What was your specific role and contribution? Answering these questions will give a clearer picture of your involvement and the impact of your work. Also, don't forget to show the evolution of your projects. Open source is all about continuous improvement, right? So make sure to update your portfolio regularly to reflect the latest changes and enhancements. This demonstrates your ongoing commitment and your ability to adapt and grow with the project. Another common mistake is not linking directly to the project or your specific contributions. Remember, your portfolio is not just a display case, it's a bridge connecting potential employers or clients to your work. Make it easy for them to access and review your projects. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of presentation. A well-organized, visually appealing portfolio can make a big difference. Use clear, concise descriptions and consider using visuals like screenshots or diagrams to illustrate your points. And there's one more thing. Don't be too hard on yourself. Mistakes are part of the process, and each one is a learning opportunity. Avoiding these mistakes will help you create a compelling showcase of your open source contributions. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of your journey in the open source world. It's not just about the destination, but also the path you've taken to get there. Showcasing your open source contributions doesn't have to be a daunting task. We've journeyed through the importance of understanding open source contributions, best practices for showcasing them, highlighting your work effectively, and the pitfalls to avoid. Let's take a moment to reflect on these key points. Open source contributions are more than just lines of code. They're a testament to your ability to collaborate, problem solve, and innovate. They provide an opportunity to learn from others, demonstrate your skills, and contribute to the community. And when showcased effectively, they become a powerful tool in attracting potential employers or clients. Remember, the way you present your contributions can make all the difference. Highlighting your role, the skills you used, the impact of your work, and the lessons learned paints a vivid picture of your capabilities. Remember, Your open source contributions are a testament to your skills and dedication. Showcase them right, and you'll open doors to exciting opportunities.